welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do this makeup. So if you are a morena girl, you have a tan skin like me, maybe this makeup is for you. Keep on watching. Our skin. I'm just going to put it on my cheek area because that's where I want my sun-kissed sunburn effect. So I'm just going to put some in this area. Can you see? Right there. It lightened. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, next we're going to put a lightweight foundation. So I have a dark and light. I don't have a perfect one, but I always mix them together. So let's just mix them together. I put the light first, just tiny bit like this, and then I put the darker one like that. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but I'll mix them, and then that's how I put it. So I'm avoiding the under eye because I'm going to put the something in there. Oh, that's too much. Okay. I think I put too much. Let's just coverage. Some coverage. Okay. After we put a light foundation, can you see? After I put my light foundation, I'll go to put my concealer. I put too much. I waste so much. So after my foundation, we're going to put concealer to hide our eye bags, to hide your eye bags. So I normally use this, but it's almost gone. Let me see if I still have some. Okay, I still have some. You just need to do this, so you can just don't do this. Okay. We are hiding that under that eye bags. We're going to hide that eye bags. We're going to hide it, and then I go to get a sponge. Then just dab it. Okay, that's it. It's still there. Oh no. It's okay. We're just going to put the powder. Let's set it. Powder. We're just going to leave it there. Leave it there. Okay. We'll go to our... This is how I do it, step by step. And then I am going to put some in my eyelid. Just a little bit. Because we're going to put some light, soft eyeshadow later. And then I'm going to get brush and then spread them. Just spread them evenly. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's just soft. So right there. Trust the process. Okay, now let's move on to our eyeshadow. So I normally use this color, mix it with this color, so it gives it neutral color. And then I put it in my skin like this. Let me show you. I just put just a little bit so it's just show. I'm just putting it a little bit just to enhance. See, that's all I need. And then let's move on for our, what do you call this? Let's move on to our contour. We are contouring, we're using this contour. Just gonna put here, here, just here. So it gives the illusion. And then I need to brush that down. Just like that. Now let's move on to our eyebrow. Eyebrow, it's very easy. So I just put some gel. So let's give natural, brushy. Let's do our gel. Let's do our eyebrows. That's my final look, 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 look. I feel like I need more. Now we are going to put some liner in use eyeshadow. We're just going to put it here. And then just brush it. And then you have to remove the excess. You can see the, just an illusion. So just give you a natural look. Other side. Just going to put it in the end. And then do this. Can you see? That's how this is how I do it. Okay, let's move on. Let's put some under eye. I just put under eye like that. I'm not sure, but I like to have a illusion. So we're going to put something under your eye to create illusion so you won't be focused on your okay. Now we're done. I'm done. I'm done. Now we're just going to brush off the residue like that. It's the blush, so it will give us the sunburn effect. So this is my favorite. This is a lip and cheek. Put it in here so it's not too much. And then I'll put the brush. It's either this one or small one, but I'll just use this one. And then we're just going to dap, 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 dap. So it's not going to be too much when you put it in your cheek. We're just going to put it like that, and then we just spread them evenly. Let's see. Other side. Is that too much? It's okay. We're just and then next we are going to put highlighter. So it's create shimmery. Let's move on to our lip. Okay, we are going to wear this small thing, and then I'm just going to make something. Okay. That. Okay. This. Now let's get this lip stain. I got this from TikTok, and then I got it like, yes, this one. So we're going to open this, and we're going to do our accessories. We're going to put on accessories. I got this online. This is my favorite go-to shop. This is my favorite go-to shop, so I love this brand. This is a gold-plated jewelry, and it's really pretty. Like, it's so nice. I've been using this brand since 2024, and I love the quality. Like this, it's very well protected, and it's I just love it. I still have the couples of those necklaces, and it lasted me for years, since 2024. Now I'm look, so pretty. Another one. So we're just going to put them on. for pearly shell. Look at it. Other one. Let's go for a ring. I am size 7. I'm size 7. I'm size 6. I'm size 6. Look at that. Shiny shimmering. The other one. It's very pretty. Let's go for a necklace. Okay. Bourbon. This is our final look.